Your producers are trapped. They're spending 80% of their time on $500 accounts, while your competitors are landing $50,000 ones.
Hi there, I'm Randy Schwantz, and welcome to the Bignition channel, the home of the triple threat solution: sales training, sales CRM, and sales management platform, all in one integrated system.
They're busy all day and they're broke at the end of the year. Let me show you how you break them out of that. Look, you already feel this is a problem. You walk the floor and everybody looks slammed. Phones ringing, emails flying, certificates and endorsements, lots of activity, but very little growth. And you keep thinking, why are we working this hard and only growing 2 or 3%? Well, here's why, and this isn't theory. We analyzed 17,800 commercial accounts, 168 producers, $92,872,000 in revenue across 8 different firms. So this isn't one weird agency. This is the industry. Now watch this. You sort of producers booked by revenue. Bottom 40%. What do you see? 43 accounts, $22,304 total. $500 per account. And that's what they're killing themselves for? Certificates, endorsements, billing questions, add my truck, 30 or 40 hours a month for $500? Now scroll up. Let's look at the top 20%. $399,702. $17,774 per account. Same producer, same hours. One side is $500, the other side is almost 18 grand. And guess where they're spending their time? It's down there. That's not a motivation problem. That's math. They're buried in a small account hell. Now imagine this. Monday morning, no certificate fires, no tiny account chaos. Those accounts are handled by a service team with a written service plan. Clients are actually happier because specialists are serving them. And your producer, they're prospecting, calling, setting appointments, working $10,000, $50,000 revenue accounts, actually prepping for meetings, not reacting all day. Just 10 to 15 extra prospecting hours a week changes everything. So when you double the average account size, you don't need more producers. You already have the capacity. It's just buried under a bunch of small account busy work. And when producers start winning bigger accounts, confidence explodes. Income doubles. Stress drops. They stop acting like order takers and start acting like pros. Now you're thinking, if I take accounts away, they'll revolt. That's fair, because most agencies screw this up. They mandate it. They rip accounts away. No plan, no explanation, morale tanks. That's not leadership. That's dictatorship. And rule number 6 of the wedge says the best idea anyone ever heard was the one they thought of themselves. So you don't force it. You show them the math. You show them the future. And you give them a process. And now that you've seen the math, here's the fix. This is not theory, it's process. This is how you actually implement inside your agency. And I'm gonna show you inside Bignition so you can see exactly how it works. So here's the first thing. You set a minimum account size. 5,000, 6,000, 8,000, whatever your economics say. Anything below that, service team. Not dumped, handled better. Because this isn't about firing clients, it's about serving them the right way. And this is what that looks like. All small accounts, you've got a plan. Who's their contact when they hear from you? Who gets handled proactively? What gets handled reactively? Structure, clarity, consistency. So instead of random interruptions all day, service is predictable. It's professional. And here's the funny part. Clients usually like this more because they're not chasing a producer who's never available. They've got a dedicated specialist. So small accounts get better service and your producers get their time back. That's a win-win. Now here's where most agencies screw this up. They mandate it. They say, we're moving your accounts. That feels like Big Brother. So producers revolt, and instead you let them see the math themselves. And this is my favorite part. This is the main goals section. So watch this. If a producer moves these $500 accounts out and replaces them with just a few $15,000 or $20,000 accounts, look what happens. Revenue jumps, income jumps, commission jumps without working more hours. So now it's not management is taking my accounts. It becomes how fast can I ditch this junk and go get more of those? And that's the shift. They choose it because the numbers are obvious. And now we give them visibility. This dashboard shows their pipeline by account size. So you can instantly see, are you chasing $3,000 stuff or $30,000 stuff? Top 20%, bottom 40%, it's all right here. No guessing, no stories, just math, because what gets measured gets improved. If you don't track this, producers drift right back into small accounts. This keeps them focused on where the money lives. And this is critical. You can't just free up time and say, go hunt. That's how people end up on the golf course. They need a system. And this is the playbook. The Learning Center, 7 steps to 7 figures, the wedge, pre-call strategy, keystone, cross-sell, all of it. Commercial insurance specific, not generic sales junk. So we're not throwing producers to the wolves. We're training them, coaching them, giving them confidence, because confidence is what actually drives activity. See, when you combine minimum accounts, service plan, clear goals, pipeline visibility, sales process, and coaching, producers stop drowning and they start growing. So if your producers are stuck in $500 accounts, that's not a talent problem. It's a system problem. Fix the system. Go to bignition.io, book a demo, and we'll show you exactly how to run this inside your agency, because small account prison, it's optional.